Good morning. You are listening Shweta, your news anchor from Lavafara Media. Here we bring you the latest updated news of 25 July 2020 from around the world. The Rajasthan High Court has started the hearing in a case which can end the political crisis plaguing the state. The case has been filed by Sachin Pilot and 18 other resident Congress MLAs against the disqualification notice served to them by Rajasthan Speaker CM Joshi. AIIMS Delhi on Friday administration first dose of Bharat Biotech Covaxin to a 30-year-old male. The subject will be monitored for 2 weeks, after which he will be given the second dose. The COVID-19 tally in India rose to 12,87,945 on Friday, after 49,311 fresh cases were reported within a span of 24 hours. Covaxin, India's COVID-19 vaccine candidate developed by Bharat Biotech India in collaboration with the National Institute of Virology. All international passengers arriving through flights arranged under air bubbles are subjected to 2 layers of health screening besides mandatory 7 days institutional quarantine at their own cost, followed by a 7 days home quarantine, official said on Friday. The arrangement being made for passengers arriving through air bubbles flights were discussed at high-level meeting chaired by Union Home Secretary Ajay Bhalla on Thursday. The Delhi High Court Friday asked the ICMR to issue Indian Council of Medical Research a clarification that mobile number, government-issued identity card, photographs or residential proof will not be insisted upon for COVID-19 test of mentally ill homeless people. According to ICMR advisory of June 19, every person who had to be tested for coronavirus needed to provide a government identity proof and should have a valid phone number for tracing and tracking the individual and his or her contacts. I, Shweta, will come back tomorrow with new updated news. Keep watching Lavafara. Thank you.